Welcome. In the next few minutes you will learn how to factory reset your Xiaomi electric scooter. To begin, make sure your scooter is powered off completely. Next, locate the 4 screws on the bottom of the scooter deck. These usually hold the battery compartment cover in place. Grab your Allen wrench, it's usually included with your scooter, and remove these 4 screws carefully. Now you can lift off the battery compartment cover, exposing the battery and control board. Before going any further, it's very important to disconnect the battery for safety. You are now looking for the reset button on the control board. It's a small button, might be black or red in color, and may even be hidden under a rubber seal. If you do find a rubber seal covering the reset button, carefully remove it using your Allen wrench. Once you've found the reset button, press and hold it down for 5 seconds. Then release the button. Now you can reconnect the battery. Place the battery compartment cover back into its position, ensuring it fits snugly. Secure the cover by putting back the 4 screws you removed earlier and tighten them well. Finally, power on your scooter. It should now be reset to factory settings. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more such tutorials.